Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper and Trimmer. Cordless Convenience. Color Pro Cordless is rechargeable and wireless. Cordless allows you to use the clipper on battery or when it's charging. Color-coded guide combs. Finding and remembering everyone's favorite hair length is easier than ever. Corresponding the correct comb to the right cutting length is simple with our easy-to-see attachment guards. Simply run them under water to wash away excess clippings and trimmings. Smooth, easy haircuts. With a variety of cutting lengths, adjusting the trim length is pain-free. Quickly reference the color key on the face of the clipper and attach the corresponding colored clipper comb attachment. Grooming on the go with 60 minutes of runtime, our Cordless Color Pro is great for travel, vacation, business trips, and more. Worldwide voltage means you can use no matter what country you're in, 220 volts or dual voltage. To buy this awesome product from Amazon, just check the link on the description and comment box.